Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we're gonna look at how you can start trading Bitcoin, or basically what is the skill set of learning. So just before I hop onto my computer, guys, I wanted to actually take the time to give you a little bit of an introduction into what exactly this video is gonna be about. So on this channel, we talk about skill sets. What you're going to learn is skill sets. If you want tips in different ways on how you can actually pave the way for your dreams to come true by implementing skills. Now, there are high income skills, there are low income skills. It depends on you. In today's video, we're going to talk, as I said before, about how to trade on a daily basis. Okay, now you can take the same skill sets that you learn with trading and you can start to implement it even in other areas of your life, in other areas of trading. Okay, so as a skill in itself, in my opinion, it's a high income skill. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna hop on my computer in a bit, but feel free to let me know in the comments below what your views are upon on this topic. Okay, hit the subscribe button if you like what you see, and you're gonna get the future videos if you hit the bell notification. So do both, and I'm gonna see you guys on my computer in a second. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my screen and my presentation for today. Hope you guys are enjoying yourself. It's a Tuesday and I would like to share with you a little bit more information, or rather on this topic on why should you trade. Trading is an interesting skill. Okay, if you're watching this channel for the first time, and if you're here for the first time, I want to welcome you firstly to Tips with Dave. And if you do want to help me by subscribing and liking this video, that's going to be a big help for the channel, for the algorithm, everything else that regards YouTube. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is you are here to learn some kind of skill set that would take you ahead. On this channel, we focus on two of them specifically because I believe that skills are a huge part of us as human beings, and we definitely can pave the way for our dreams to come true by implementing and taking action on these skills that we learn. Okay, so that being said, I want to share with you a little bit on why you should trade. Now, you might say, trading what? Trading stocks, trading cryptocurrency, trading forex, what? Okay, well, in general, trading is a skill. Where you implement it is up to you. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example with cryptocurrency, yes, and I will tell you why I'm going to show you that example with cryptocurrency. But in general, you can use these tactics of trading anywhere at any point of time in your life. It is a skill that you can learn. Now, what trading does, and I believe this 100%, like any other skill set, a skill puts more control into your power to generate more freedom for your life, to generate more independence, to generate more control, to apply it in order for you to actually pave the way, as I say, for your dreams in terms of the vision that you have for yourself. So I would like to ask you, before going ahead, if trading is something that is part of your vision. If it is part of your vision, if it is part of the vision that you see, you see a place for it in the whole scheme of things, okay, in your life, then I want you to go ahead. If not, I would recommend, it's okay, you watched enough of the video, you don't need to subscribe, don't worry about it. Go ahead and watch other videos that could help you with the vision that you see. But if you're like me and you are looking, or you were looking for things that are part of your vision and how it can apply to actually sustaining that vision, and mine is basically living life with my family, specifically having the time to live with my family on a day-to-day basis, experience things with them, etc., travel, and so on and so forth. And trading has a huge element of that vision. Now, why do I say that? Because if for example, I was in Portugal this summer, okay? And when I was in Portugal, I was actively trading, and it was amazing to go out. And I obviously spent some money here and there for drinks, for food, for, outing. We went to see dolphins, we went kayaking, we did so many things. And trading definitely helped, because when I came home in the evening, I spent about an hour trading, and I kind of made almost half of the money that I spent that day back in trading, or, it depends on what it is. Now, am I going to say that it's going to happen every single day? No, it's something that you have to learn, Okay, trading, as I said, like any other skill, is a learning curve. Okay, it's not something that you click on and voila, you're gonna make money, or click on and you will just understand everything. It doesn't happen like that. If you think it does, then you're gonna be like 98% of the people who are not ready to take action. Trading does evolve less emotion and more action. Okay, so why should you trade is up to you to make a decision on whether it's part of your vision before you go ahead. Now, I'm going to share with you my reasons, and I'm going to show with you why you should trade in general. I've already given you guys enough information, to be honest, but I want to go into a little more videos, let's say charts, and show you guys how things are. Now, here is a progression over the last 7 days of cryptocurrency, specifically the Bitcoin chart. Now, you can see it's from July 20th to July 27th, 2019 at the time I'm shooting this video. And there is a drop. It's a very volatile, okay? It's a risky business to trade, right? It's very volatile. You see it go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And you might think, David, why are you showing me this chart? What sense does it make for me? What I want to show you is that I don't look at this chart and I see negativity. A lot of people will see negativity or fear. Why will they see fear? I used to see fear because of the fact that it is volatile. You don't know how much you will make. You don't know how much you will lose. You think you don't know how much you will make. You think you don't know how much you will lose. So as much as you want to make the trades, the positive trades, you're scared of the negative trades or the bad trades that occur. And that fear is quite powerful. So I want to eliminate that fear by telling you that when I look at this also, I see opportunity. Okay, there's opportunity here, 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 and so on and so forth. There's opportunity that you can actually look at. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now, trading is a skill, as I said, you can learn. What are the benefits of trading? Now, the benefits of trading cryptocurrency is firstly the volatility of it. Okay, I say that because I feel that because of the volatility of cryptocurrency, the benefit of it is that you start to learn and make mistakes faster. And in order for you to make mistakes faster, you learn faster. Okay, and that gives you an idea of judging the market in the right way, in a very how can I put this, in a manner that is controlled. Okay, very controlled, that's the right word. Okay, you understand the market very controlled, and you can actually technically use this information into forex, into stocks, into commodities, into any other kind of trading that you see, because you start to understand how the trends work, how ups and downs go, etc., etc. Okay, that's one of the benefits to it. The other benefit to it is that definitely it's a friendly market, as I call it. It's a friendly place to be in to learn. It's a good to start learning with cryptocurrency, as I believe. Okay, because you can start off with small amounts. You don't need a huge amount to start off with trading cryptocurrency. You can start off with $5. You can start off with $10. You can start off with $20. You can start off with $1,000. It's up to you which level you want to start trading with. Okay, and then you can compound over time. So it's pretty powerful in that way. Secondly, I would suggest if you want to learn trading, then you should have a simple trading strategy. What is a simple trading strategy? A simple trading strategy, I'm not going to go into huge definitions, but a simple trading strategy is something that a strategy that you understand fully. Okay, so a complex trading strategy for most might be a simple trading strategy for me. But if you know people who are trimming down that complexity to a very simplistic way where nobody who knows trading can learn it, then it is a simple strategy. Now, I personally use this kind of a simple strategy. I'm not a pro trader. I'm not somebody who understands every single aspect of trading. No, I have a simple strategy. I follow it to the T and I'm happy with it. Okay. Do not complicate it. That leads me to my next point. Do not complicate it. Just focus on that strategy. Pick a strategy and use that strategy to the fullest. Okay, understand it before trying to think of any other strategy. Make sure that you become so confident with it, you know in and out when you can go in and when you can go out and make those positive trades. Okay, so do not complicate it.
keep it simple. The other benefit or the other reason why trading, as I see, is a skill that you can learn is that it takes control of your finances. It takes control of your finances to a major extent, because suddenly you start to understand where you can make, when you can make money, when you cannot. You can start to have a controlled environment. You can keep it consistent depending on your efforts. So you take control. No banking a company can do that within any trading sphere, whether it's trading Forex, whether it's trading stocks, whatever. You get control if you start trading yourself, okay? And let me tell you this, majority of the people who are looking at these different funds and everything, and bankers and stuff like that, they don't really know 100% what they're doing. So you can do it on an individual scale, and you can actually learn from it, okay? As I said, fear is normal and natural. Okay, this is something that occurred for myself personally. I took a long time before I jumped into trading, and it's completely normal to have the fear, and I think it's natural. Okay, but there's a question I want you to ask yourself, which is, what do you want to achieve from trading? Before you ever start trading, ask yourself this question: what do you want to achieve from it? Do you want to achieve paying your bills from trading? Do you want to achieve, specify it very specifically, very concise? What do you want to achieve from your trading? This is what I would suggest before you get started. So thank you for watching this presentation, but I want to go ahead and actually show you where I personally trade cryptocurrency. I do it on Binance. So in the description of this video, there is a link to Binance if you want to join. Just saying there, it is an affiliate link, but it's up to you whether you want to join an exchange or not. It's pointless if you don't have a strategy, which leads me to my next point. iCoinPro is a place that I personally learned how to trade, and they have the right tools that also help you along your journey. It's a very 1, 2, 3 kind of step-by-step method in trading. In my whole platform of the Pro system, I do teach you guys how to trade, and I teach you with iCoinPro and the Micro Profit system. I also share with you my strategy. We go through a personal routine for yourself, so you get the support and guidance, and then how you can leverage this kind of a system to, if you want to then market and do other things when it comes to trading. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. There are links in the description to a free training that you can go through, and through that free training you will be able to then go into the trading section, which is this page right here, and get all the information. I will also link iCoinPro in the description in case you want to join that. Okay, that's also an added free training that I'm going to give you, which the founder or the co-founder, let's say, of the head trainer of Micro Profit system made, and it's completely free. You'll see the ins and outs, and then you can make your decision. So those links are in the description. Feel free to like, comment, share with me, and let me know in the description whether trading is for you or not. Okay, I hope this video got you value, and I hope that you definitely think about a skill like trading as part of your portfolio. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. Thank you for watching once again, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.